Hi everyone. Today we can learn about how to search for jobs for freshers. For example, see, I'm in my LinkedIn and I'm just searching hiring freshers data. So like here, the reason why I used hiring freshers data, if I'm not using data, if I simply type for hiring freshers, so I will be getting a lot of openings. Here you are saying mega hiring alert. Just 1 minute ago, they posted December 2025. So here there is like 100 plus freshers, 50 plus experienced openings. So like they haven't mentioned about for which particular profile. Now again, if I scroll down here also, you got a fresher, job title, HR recruitment, human resource, team management. Now, if in case, for example, if your goal is if you want to search for jobs for maybe like human resource, I think you can use a keyword human resource. Or if you are looking for software development, you can use software. So by using this hiring freshers and software, what happens now? You are able to see hiring software engineer freshers. Location is Mumbai. So you are able to see this. Now my goal is if I want to look for jobs in data, for example, in the space of data or AI/ML, you can use hiring freshers data, so that now you got an opportunity here. I'm hiring, and here this is the profile, you got it. And if I, or you can just view the job here and you can start applying it. So like the past years is like 2020 to 2025. So fresher job, 0 to 2 year of experience. They are purely looking for freshers and must have communication skills, written skills, etc., etc. They provided what exactly the job is all about. And here also, this is 1 hour ago, and this is also hiring start date 8th December. Again, work from home, office, remote. And even if you want to search for remote jobs or AI/ML jobs, so this is the keyword you need to use: hiring freshers and whatever it is. For example, I'm looking for hiring AI. For example, I want to look for people who made a post on hiring. So I'm into the post section. So people who posted means like recruiters who posted about hiring AI people. So only those particular posts you are able to see it. And some recruiters may come up with share their contact details as well. They will be sharing their email ID, they will be sharing their phone numbers, so that what you can do is you are able to reach out to those particular numbers as well. So this is again business development of, it's a sales profile, and this is AI engineer. This is 3 to 7 year of experience. Here I just said hiring AI. If you are able to give it as freshers, you are able to see all the fresher job profile. Hiring freshers, you're able to see this. And some people, how exactly, if I'm looking for, if I'm a recruiter, I want to hire some people. For example, how I will be looking for it. For example, I'll be searching AI ML, so AI or ML. So I want this keywords in the people. So I no need to look for a post. Now I want to hire a candidate. Then what I will be doing, I'll be going to the people. So in the people, so now here you can see Arushi Roy, ML, AI ML engineer at Uber. So now here I want to look for freshers, for example. Then what I will be doing is I will be looking for actively hiring. So like, or you can go with the current company, or even you are able to go with which country you want it, or even you can select various filters and you are able to go for it. And what some people even do is, for example, within the profile, for example, yeah, here I got like AML. So like here I will be seeing some people, even to make my task easy, if some profiles are having like open for work, for example, open to work, Rahul Kuzma, so open to work. So I can just ping to this guy in case if I want something so quick, so urgent, I can ping to this guy. So if I want to hire maybe like a passive candidate, so there are active candidates. So active candidates are someone, so they are not really looking for a job, they are already working in somewhere. For example, I want to already, so like I want to pick only working professional, so I'll be going for this Aish. Why? He's already working somewhere. So like even Jitin, he's already working somewhere. And again, how I know he's a right match? For example, I went to Rahul and I'm scrolling his profile. So here I already got he worked full time, so he's still working in this company. So like he's not really open for work. He worked on some areas building AML solutions for health insurance data. So if I'm looking for anyone of an insurance area, yes, I may reach out to him. So he worked on R&D intern at Philips. So now he's a genuine candidate. So how one going to know whether he is really having a skill or he just have a knowledge or a certification is through the experience, through the roles and responsibilities under that. So what skills he used it. So based on that, we are able to make sure whether he is a relevant match or not. And why this guy's profile is shortlisted? Because of the keyword he has AIML. in his profile. So now whenever you are trying to look for a job, for example, in your profile you may contain a keyword which is irrelevant, but recruiters are searching for that keyword. That is the reason you're not getting the calls. So now here in this video we learned about two things. So how you need to search for a job as a fresher, or even you are an experienced, so constantly you are hitting them. So whenever you send a message, make sure that you have something in your profile. So work on your LinkedIn keywords, work on your LinkedIn experience and your roles and responsibilities, so that when recruiter is looking at your profile, he's not feeling you are not a wrong match, you are a perfect match. You're gonna feel, hey, he's a right match. Means he has something in his profile. So try to build something in your LinkedIn and then use this keyword search. So LinkedIn is a very powerful tool. So start searching hiring freshers, hiring Tableau, hiring data analyst, whatever it is, you start getting the particular profile, start applying to them. So like investing like 1 or 2 hours every day in LinkedIn going to help you, and make sure that your profile is getting updated and you have a latest stuff in your LinkedIn. So the latest relevant keywords in your LinkedIn. That's it. So follow these tips so that you are able to get interview calls, or you are able to means like you are able to do two things. You are able to do a push and pull. So what exactly push is, you are trying to reach out to the recruiters. So through searching, hiring, data analyst and all that, that is push. And pull going to be by having a relevant keywords in your profile, recruiters are able to reach out to you. So try to use these two strategies, push strategy and pull strategy, to get more interview calls. Thank you.